Are you fed up with website hackers attacking your insecure website? SiteDoctors.net and Fiverr has a solution for you. We provide affordable website security services, such as cleaning defaced web pages or scanning your site to show you what hackers can see and give a detailed report with suggestions to fix the problems. Let us clean your website web pages or scan your site for vulnerabilities used by hackers. We are efficient and very affordable through Fiverr, where prices start at only $5. SiteDoctors.net. Let us secure your website. Sign up now at fiverr.com/easycoin.